Welcome to Sigasi Studio. In this clip, we're going to go over the steps needed to download the Sigasi Studio application. In your browser, navigate to www.sigasi.com. Hover over the Try and Buy link until a pull-down menu appears. Here, select Download. You will be directed to a page where, after you have filled out some information, you can click on the download link. Next, you'll be directed to another page where, on the left-hand side, you can choose the correct version for the operating system running on your workstation. Once the download has finished, double-click on the file to extract it. Then, from within the extracted Sigasi folder, start the Sigasi application. Also, be sure to check your email for more information on the use of Sigasi Studio. Have a great coding experience with Sigasi Studio.